For all these years, my deepest gratitude to my fellow graduates. Nasa kamay natin ang ating kinabukasan. Nasa atin ang pag-asa ng bayan as we are about to plan ahead of school lives. We shall set our minds to a common ambition. That ambition is to reach the very top of the stairs for a college diploma. Awaits us together. We stand at the very end of our graduation, moving toward a bright future. So you need each one of us will make our own directions, seeking to make a mark upon the world. All of us proud creations, bright kids of LSCDC, and may we go too far to parade, and let us try our very best to be a good student and to evolve for a better life. Finally, I thank God for His truth and strength that He gave me, for He alone, He's the source of everything. May He guide us always in all directions, endeavors for our lives. Again, to my father.